Hello, Judd here. It just dawned on me, maybe if I call this an unboxing, I'll get more hits. Anyways, I just came from the supermarket. I got some salad and found this new goodie here. UDI's gluten-free Italian sausage lasagna. So we're going to give that a shot. So I shall unbox this UDI's Italian sausage lasagna and cook it up and see how it is. It's hard to hold the camera and unbox. Okay, there's what it looks like. Okay, in the frozen state, and we're going to cook it for, there we go, remove film from box, cut ½ inch slit in film, microwave on high for 4 minutes, keep product in microwave for 2 minutes before consuming. Okay, so that's pretty quick. No oven alternative. So, get my little knife here, cut a 2-inch slit, boom, in there. Okay, microwave on high for 4 minutes. Okay, problem is different areas in my microwave cook differently. So, do I put it on the edge? Do I put it in the middle? I put it in the middle for something like this and hope it gets a nice rotational. So that one at 4 minutes. And start. And also, all microwaves vary by how many watts they are. This is a 1300 watt. But I end up having to do it longer than the times recommended for 1500 watt ovens. So I don't know, I don't trust that for real. It's an old microwave too, but it's a beauty. Okay, so keep product in microwave for 2 minutes before consuming. Okay, so I guess I'm not going to have to wait an hour to eat today. This cover is really sealed. Wow. Okay. I don't think there's any question of it being thoroughly cooked. They got the cratering on the cheese. Let's take a look there. There we go. Okay. Okay, that feels pretty good. I'm gonna let that cool down for a minute and then give it a shot. Dig in a little bit here. Oh yeah, get a little crust, as it were, a little cheese. Whoop, we're drooping. Yep, there we go. Okay, not bad. I got this up at Winn-Dixie next to my chiropractor, and it was like $6 or something, but it was on sale for $3.59 with the card, and they used their card for me. So I mean, all gluten-free stuff is so damn expensive. I don't know if I'd go $6 for this, but at $3.50 it was a nice little change, and tastes pretty good. Addendum: the actual pasta part of this, those layers they have in the lasagna, very, very nice. I mean, much better than the usual pasta fakes that gluten-free has to use. Very nice. Okay. So note that. That's a big plus. Actually, that was quite yummy. Okay. Happy day to you.